Fire is more than just a source of warmth. It has been a catalyst for human development. Early humans harnessed fire over 1 million years ago, a pivotal moment that transformed their lives. The ability to create and control fire allowed our ancestors to cook food, making it easier to digest and increasing nutrient absorption. This shift not only improved health, but also sparked social interaction around communal meals, fostering cooperation and communication among groups. Moreover, fire provided protection from predators, enabling early humans to explore new territories and expand their habitats. It was used to create tools, such as forging metals, which marked the beginning of technological advancements. As communities gathered around flames at night, storytelling and knowledge-sharing flourished, laying the groundwork for culture and tradition. Fire also played a role in shaping the environment. Controlled burns cleared land for agriculture, changing landscapes and enabling the rise of civilization. While fire has brought immense progress, it also poses risks, reminding us of the delicate balance between harnessing nature and respecting its power. This ancient element continues to symbolize innovation, transformation, and the enduring spirit of humanity throughout history.